SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie is our #1 curl-defining hair cream product for thick, curly hair. This curl-defining hair product reduces frizz and smooths curly hair for a soft, silky feel and bouncy curls. Restores moisture, creates brilliant shine and conditions hair without weighing it down, providing curl definition, bounce and frizz control. Our Curl Enhancing Smoothie, enriched with silk protein, neem and coconut oils, helps to define curls, restore moisture, reduce frizz and create shine. It conditions curly hair without weighing it down. We are natural, sustainably produced goodness. Hair cream made with love for you and your body. SheaMoisture is pioneering fair trade through community commerce at home and abroad. Shine your curls. Discover a truly unique hydrating experience with this must-have styling cream. Together, we give back. With every purchase, you support our mission to reinvest back in our communities. Tried, true cruelty-free. Tested on friends' family for generations, never on animal. SheaMoisture is the legacy of Sophie Tucker. We honor the vision of this pioneering mother and entrepreneur by continuing to formulate with raw shea butter handcrafted by women in Africa. Top reviews from the United States. It works. Works wonders for my husband's curls. Very hard to find products to keep curls hydrated and soft. This seems to be working. The smell is a little strange but nothing crazy.